Hello everyone, Hansa here from Top Tier DIY. It's been a while since my last update, and I owe you a small explanation. Many of you have been following my progress on the DIY Bumblebee Drum Sander project. I had to put it on hold because the chosen motor simply couldn't handle the load. During tests, both the motor and the triac speed controller overheated, and the motor mounting wasn't ideal either. I realized I'd have to redesign the entire drive system, so the project is currently on ice, but it's not cancelled entirely. I intend to return to it and complete it in the future. Meanwhile, while building a small greenhouse in my garden and seeking gardening inspiration, I discovered hydroponics. My wife and I wanted fresh vegetables, mainly for taste, but also for savings. As a DIY enthusiast and a technical person, hydroponic systems, especially vertical towers, really caught my attention. At first glance, they seemed simple, but the more I learned, the more I saw how complex the entire system truly is. This led me to start working on automation for measurement and dosing, because I couldn't find a product that fully met my needs. I began developing my own solution. I called this project Rootify, so now this channel will primarily focus on this project, a cloud-based plant guardian under the wings of Top Tier DIY. I'll be sharing the insights I gathered during this project, and I'd be thrilled if you support me, even just with a question or an idea, or by buying me a cup of coffee. Older projects will remain on the channel in a separate playlist, so you can always revisit them. Thanks you to all my subscribers who stayed with me patiently during the break. I truly appreciate it. I'm looking forward to start this new chapter together, and I hope to see you in the next video, already on the topic of hydroponics. Stay tuned with me on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Bye.